Apex Brazil presents venture capital and private equity investments. Did you know that Brazilian companies can attract investments with the help of Apex Brazil? Maria owns a company with good revenue in Brazil. Its customer base is expanding and consolidating, but needs operational improvements to increase its market share. Maria goes to the bank and finds credit lines that could meet her needs, but with high interest rates, or a credit limit below what she needs and collaterals she does not have. An alternative to situations like that is to resort to venture capital and private equity investments. In this case, the entrepreneur sells a share of the company in exchange for the much-needed financial support. The investor becomes a shareholder of the company and shares the business risk with the entrepreneur. If the business grows, both the company and the investor win. Maria learns that Apex Brazil could help her find potential investors for her company. Then she signs up to take part in venture capital and private equity investment rounds. Her company is selected and receives appropriate training to develop its business plan. During an investment round organized by Apex Brazil, Maria presents her business to several investors and finds a partner. Besides the money, the new partner also brings his previous managing experience to Maria's company, as well as his network of suppliers and customers, and adds new processes and operating methods to the business. The investment goes far beyond the allocation of funds. With the partnership, Maria's company keeps growing, and now she has plans to export and go global, fields where Apex Brazil has a lot of expertise. There are venture capital investments intended to help companies that are just starting their business, the so-called startups. Apex Brazil also supports these companies, which are seeking to enter the market with a new service or product that can be easily expanded to Brazil and the world, generating great revenue for the company and its investors. Apex Brazil's office in San Francisco plays a key role in supporting Brazilian startups by connecting them with Silicon Valley's innovation environment and finding potential investors. The office also provides co-working space for Brazilian startups looking to operate locally in the USA. Companies such as Maria's, as well as young entrepreneurs startups, have Apex Brazil as a partner to help promote their business and attract the investment they need. Whatever the size of the company, there is always an ideal investor for each business. Apex Brazil, promoting investments for Brazil's growth.